The NGCTR program aims at developing and flying within 2023 a tiltrotor technology demonstrator under the leadership of Leonardo Helicopters and in collaboration with several partners across Europe in the framework of Clean Sky 2. The flight test campaign of the technology demonstrator following the first flight will provide the ground for the development of a new tiltrotor product by 2030. The NGCTR technology demonstrator will feature a number of innovations, ranging from improved aerodynamics, a distributed and modular flight control system, up to a fixed engine installation and a tilting gearbox. All of these new features on the technology demonstrator will be designed in order to be scalable into a bigger aircraft, say between 15 and 25 passengers, that will be the tiltrotor of the future. I am NextGen Civil TiltRotor Program Manager at Leonardo Helicopters, and I lead an integrated project team which consists of both internal resources and several partners. We have more than 70 partnerships within this program, including universities, research centers and SMEs. The NGCTR will undoubtedly provide environmental benefits, ranging from dramatic reduction of CO2, NOx, up to noise. As of today, the NGCTR program is at the stage of completing the design. We have already launched procurement and manufacturing with the aim of starting the final assembly of the technology demonstrator by the end of 2021 and fulfilling the objective of flying with the first flight by mid-2023. The first flight will be followed by a flight test campaign which will last for the following years and will take us into the development of the new tiltrotor for the future. There are two aspects that I'd like to underline which go beyond the development of the technology demonstrator per se. The first aspect is that within this program, we at Leonardo are developing or even reinforcing relationships with academia, research centers, SMEs, which will be the ground for our new developments in the future. Exploitable not just for tiltrotors, but also for the entire Leonardo product family. The second aspect is that within this program, we will develop not just the technologies flying on the technology demonstrator, but also many others that will reach a lower test readiness level, which will in any case be the future of our design capability.